Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is December the 14th, 2022, and we are looking at the Tainung 64 sweet potatoes in a raised bed out in the full sun. Okay, now what you see here is beneficial bacteria has been inoculated into this material first. It's leaves and detritus from the yard. That's it. And it goes all the way down to right there. So, due to the nature of the Tainung 64 sweet potatoes growth, they kind of grow a little shallow from what I observed from the last harvest. So, we think that they'll do really well in here. So anyhow, this is the full sun location. They need a lot of water. They love water. And that's why we're using this material. So hopefully these sweet potatoes get a lot bigger than the last batch. We gave them a full year to grow in the last batch, and they still didn't get that big. They weren't very impressive. Cool thing about this is we have a secondary experiment going on too. Let's go take a look. Here is the secondary experiment. All we did was we took all of the previous vines that grew the last batch of sweet potatoes, and we buried them under the soil. So you see leaves and detritus here too. This is what makes up this soil and for this raised bed. This one's slightly smaller as far as how high it's raised, I think. I could be wrong. But yeah, this is the understory location. So it's under the oaks. And it has this to protect it originally from the critters, but what this is gonna be this time around is something for the vines to grab onto. I want them to grow up into this so they can provide maximum production into the sweet potato. This has also been inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. Now, due to the nature of the soil with the beneficial bacteria, it should provide enough nutrients for the sweet potatoes to thrive. That's why we're using the detritus, the leaves and detritus from the yard, is so the beneficial bacteria and the beneficial, specifically the bacteria, they'll work with the root systems of these plants to basically produce nitrogen. At least that's what I'm under the impression of. Anyhow, we're going to give this a good try all the way into next year, and we're going to see just how productive these sweet potatoes can become. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as we will keep you updated on the progress of these Tainung 64 sweet potatoes. Have a great day.